Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back for another video. Hope you were doing well. Let's work out. Many of you struggle with lower back pain, so this workout will be mainly focused for lower back and core. I hope you'll find something useful for you. Let's work. First, inhale deeply, sit down, kneeling. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay. Then we're gonna sit down, left leg straight. You bend your right leg, put it on your left. Left elbow push your right knee. Inhale first deeply. We're gonna twist towards the right side. And twist. Feel that stretch, breathe. 3, 2, 1, and switch. Right leg straight, left on the top, left arm on the ground. Inhale and twist towards the left. Exhale. Okay, release. Down, flat back, bend your legs 90 degrees. Then from here, arms open towards the side. We're gonna rotate our legs. We're gonna twist our legs both towards the left and then towards the right. Let me see if my mic will not, I will take it out a little bit. Okay, let's work. Left, right. Inhale. Left first and right. Go ahead. 2, 3. You can put your hat on the ground if you want. 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe. 8, 9. Last one, 10. Towards the left side, bring your legs together. Left arm push your right knee and stretch. Feel the stretch in your right side of the lower back. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we'll switch. Right side and push down. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we again switch to the left side. From here, if you can, grab with your left arm under your knee and straight open your right leg and hold. Hamstrings, lower back, glutes, everything is working. 5 seconds at least. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Drive towards the right side first. Push your legs close to the floor and then open. Hold. Awesome. Feel the length. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back to the middle. Okay, let me fix my mic and then we continue. Here we go. Next one. What we're gonna do from here. Raise your legs, flat back, head off, straight arms. Then we're gonna lower our legs, keep a lower back very, very flat. Back up, lower, back up. 20 times. Inhale first deeply, and here we go, working. And down, and back. 2, and back. 3. Keep your back flat. 4. This is most important. Squeeze your butt. 5, 6. Keep working. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1. Go ahead. 2. Push. 3. Flat back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Okay, inhale deeply first. Exhale. Again, we rotate our pelvis, raise your legs, raise your arms. We need to keep our lower back flat as always. Then left leg opens forward, right arm drives back. Back is flat, and then back to the middle, and we'll switch. Back to the middle. Here we go. 20 times, 10 and 10. Inhale. Let's work. Keep a back flat. 1, 2, push, 3, go ahead, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, push, 9, 10, 10 more, 1, 2, go ahead, 3, 4, 5, 6, push, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Okay, inhale first deeply. Exhale, rotate your pelvis, raise your hips off the ground. Let's do bridge. Push your glutes forward, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then from here, stop with your right leg more forward, left leg more forward, and continue pushing up, holding this bridge. You need to feel your hamstrings as well a bit. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, push higher. 6, push higher. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome. Up. Good job. The next one, what we're gonna do, plank position. We're gonna arch to upper facing dog. We're gonna back up to plank position, and again arch and back. First plank position, and then from here, nice and smooth, we're gonna push down half, and then upper facing dog, push back and push up. This will be one. If you want and if you can, when we'll do upper facing dog, you can put your legs on the ground. It's okay for me. Maybe I'll do that way. Maybe I will keep my body on my arms. You can do both ways as long as you can continue. Okay, inhale first. Plank position. Here we go, down. Plank. 1, 2, 3, push. 4, 5, 10 times. 6, 7, 8, squeeze your butt. 9, 10, and release. Awesome. Inhale first. Exhale. Here we go. Next one, you should be familiar with this. We've done it before. Left leg straight back, rotate your pelvis, right arm forward. Then from here, we're gonna drive our elbow and knee towards our chest and drive back. Keep in mind that you need to have your lower back flat. So rotate your pelvis, have good control of your core and lower back. This way, you can protect your spine. Only this way can help you. Here we go, inhale. Left leg drive back, arm forward, 10. Squeeze your butt, rotate your pelvis, engage. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, breathe, 4, 5. Don't arch your lower back, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Inhale first deeply, and we're gonna switch side. Exhale. Same thing. Right leg drives back, rotate your pelvis, engage your core, lower back, left arm forward, and drive your elbow and knee towards your chest. Here we go. Inhale. 10, go. And back. 2, 3, lower back. 5, 6, push. 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Okay, not bad. Inhale first. Exhale. The next one will be side plank using one arm, legs together, butt on the ground first. From here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna raise our butt off the ground, pushing as high as possible and lower it as high as possible. Okay, inhale first, 10 times. Exhale, let's drive up, go. And down. 2, squeeze. 3, higher. 4, 5, push. 6, 7, push. 8, 9, 10. And switch. Inhale first. Exhale. So now the side. Left one. Elbow on the ground, leg straight. Squeeze your butt, engage. You should be tight, straight. Have good control of your body. Push up. Inhale. Let's work 10 times. And 2, squeeze. 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Awesome. Inhale, let's breathe. 10 seconds. One more. Breathe. Here we go. One more thing we need to do. Elbows on the ground. From here, this will be a little bit challenging, but I want you to do. Rotate your pelvis, raise your knees off the ground, keep holding a little bit your upper body. Left leg goes straight up, your right knee is not on the ground. And you drive your left leg up and down, up and down. Keep in mind, your knee, your another knee, let's say another leg should not be on the ground. Try to give as more stability as possible to your leg that is on the ground. Okay, inhale first. We're gonna start with left leg straight backward. We're gonna raise it up 10 times. Inhale. Rotate your pelvis, raise your knees off the ground, leg straight, and work 10 times. 2, lock your low back. 3, 4, 5, push. 6, 7, push. 8, 9, 10, and release. Inhale. More deep exhale. Right side. Right leg back, rotate your pelvis, squeeze, raise your knee. Here we go, 10 times. 1, 2, high. 3, 4, 5, push. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Okay, inhale first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Here we go. One more. From here, rotate your pelvis, raise your knees off the ground. Raise your left, bend it up here. And we just hold here this 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, hold 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we switch. Left leg on the ground, right leg up. And hold 10, 9, 8, hold 7, 6, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Release. Relax, inhale first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Good job. One more very useful exercise. We are done for this. Rotate your pelvis, raise your knees off the ground. Then we're gonna open our left leg straight back. Pay attention. We're gonna strengthening our right leg, going to down facing dog and back up. Again, right, straight, left goes up and back up. 10 times on each side. Inhale. Rotate your pelvis, raise your knees off the ground, left leg goes straight back, and here we go, 10 times. And back. 2, 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Inhale. Exhale, switch side. Left one. Toes on the ground, rotate your pelvis, raise your knees off the ground, right leg back straight. Here we go, 10. And back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, push, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Okay, inhale first, exhale, another deep one, exhale. Okay, the last one, lie down on your chest, legs in front. We bend our left leg 10 times, raising as high as possible. Here we go, inhale, and push, 1, 2, higher, 3, keep your hips square, 4, 5, 6, push, 7, push, 8, 9, 10, and release. Right side, inhale, exhale. Here we go, up, 1, higher, 2, push, 3, squeeze, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Okay, last one. You bend your left leg, open your knee towards the side. Your left toe is on the top of the right leg. From here, we're going to raise your leg, bend it in this way as high as possible, and back up. Inhale first. Exhale, here we go, 10 times. 2, higher. 3, push. 4, 5, feel the left side more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Inhale, exhale. Right side, toes on the top of the left leg, and here we go, working, push up as high as possible. Try to keep your hips square. 10 times. Here we go, up, 1, 2, 3, push, 4, 5, higher, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Okay, up. We are done. Let's do a quick stretch, legs together. From here, we're gonna twist our hip towards the right side. So keep your legs together, just twist towards the right side. Feel that stretch in the left side right now. Hold here 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the middle and left side. Hold 3, 2, 1, and back up. Okay, that's it. Done. Nice and easy practice. Hope you find it useful. If you have any suggestions, let me know in comments. Subscribe, comment, suggest. I'm always thankful and helpful for that. Peace. Good luck.